Bot Glorioso. Okay. Imamahin ko na lang daw kasi syempre shy type yung iba.
Hi, good afternoon. Hi, congratulations. What makes Persian Avenue different from its competitors, and what made you decide to say yes to this brand?
Kwento ko briefly yung naging experience ko while shooting for the ad. Alam mo, natuwa talaga ako. Kaya sabi ko kanina kay Sir RJ at kay Sir Paolo, narinig ko yung short story nila kung paano sila nag-umpisa. And true enough, naging saksi ako doon dahil while we were shooting, kitang-kita ko talaga how hands-on the brothers are, the whole family is. Isang bagay talaga na hinahangaan ko, lalo-lalo na for young entrepreneurs. Dahil syempre, marami talaga mga bago ngayon marami mga bagong produkto. And ano ba yung mga kalidad, yung mga qualities, kaya yung mga katangian na talagang nakaka-relate ako. And the fact that it's run by a family who really help each other para mapatatag lalo yung negosyo na yun, doon bilib na. Plus the fact, of course, na siyempre, alam din naman ako, alam ko rin yung mga iba na natikman ko na rin naman. But, of course, para sa akin, yung quality, lalo ng pita bread, yung paborito kong beef na walang masyadong, alam mo yung walang litid talaga at all, walang litid at all. Mga ganun bagay na siya. Gusto natin perfect quality.
Thank you, Dong. For the brothers naman, ano yung nakita ni kay Dito na fit talaga to be an endorser?
Ay po. Actually po, nung bago namin talaga ginawa si Sir Do, wala naman iba kami talaga na-consider na. Kasi when it comes parang dun sa values namin, and then sa integrity nga ni Sir, nung pag nung talagang tinignan namin, parang siya yung nakita po namin na fit talaga para sa brand po namin. Kasi parang ever since nakita naman namin siya, at saka parang sobrang okay lahat, sa parang sobrang linis lahat yung mga na-witness namin sa kanya po. Kaya lang po.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat. Susunod na magtatanong ni Risa Alno from Jim.
Hi, for the marketing, what do you look, or for Miss Kay, what do you look forward to now that Ding Dong is one of your endorsers?
Okay, actually, it's a bit challenging for the marketing na talagang lumaban in the industry. But of course, we have Mr. Ding Dong Dantes beside us. We are very confident that this brand, Persian Avenue, will be top brand in the industry. Tama po ba? And of course, si Sir Dong, kasi talaga since start po talaga, reputation po ba yung pinag-uusapan? Integrity? Dignidad ba? O yung talagang pure na malinis dun sa industry? Sino pa ba? Siyempre, kung si Persian Avenue iningatan ng brothers ng sobra-sobra, pag kumuha kami ng endorser, no-brainer, Mr. Ding Dong Dantes po agad.
For Ding Dong, ano yung sa tingin mo pwede mong magawa, or ano yung plan mong gawin to help promote Persian Avenue?
Alam mo, akala ko kanina paglabas ko sobrang happy na. Pero you made my day. Hanap ka. Dahil sa totoo lang, ako po yung third endorser. Dahil yung unang dalawang endorser katabi ko. Diba? So syempre, hindi ko po kayo ipapahiya. Dahil alam ko kung ano yung pinaghirapan ninyo sa pagtaguyod at pagtatag nitong brand na ito. And I will do my best to represent your baby the best way that I can.
Maraming salamat. Talaga naman napakaganda ng
Hello po, kay Sir Paolo. Tanong ka lang, I heard that you led the photo shoot of Ding Dong. How was the experience during the photo shoot?
Okay, during the preparation dun sa ginawang pictorial, yung team very excited. Hindi pa namin na-meet si Sir Dong, pero yung spirit, parang everyday, we are very passionate to do it. At yung araw na pictorial na, ibang experience. Lalo na Sir, nung lumabas na si Sir Dong at hawak niya na yung beef wrap, talagang masasabi ko that moment, Persian Avenue, branded na ang Persian Avenue. Thank you.
Sir Dingdong, tanong ko lang po, how was the experience po ng photoshoot niyo with Persian Avenue? At any comment po dun sa sinabi nila regarding na branded na yung Persian Avenue because you are the endorser of it?
Totoo yan, kasi hindi pa nga nalulaunch. Habang nagsushoot kami, hawak ko yung produkto. Eh, bawal kagatin eh. Pero sa sobrang takam na ako, sabi ko, Sir, pwede ba kainin ko na to? So ending, ang dami tuloy mga props na naibinigay. At syempre, pag uwi ko, marami pa akong dala para sa pamilya ko. Kaya solid yung merienda namin ng araw na yun.
Congratulations, Persian Avenue.
Thank you, Kuya Alan. Susunod naman naman.
Kay Miss Kay, 4 years na ang operation ng Persian Avenue. Bakit ngayon lang kayo kumuha ng celebrity endorse?
Kaya po ngayon lang, of course, kasi si brand, like what we said, it's very reserved. Ayaw po kasi namin na parang matulad din with other brands na pagkuha ng endorser. Of course po, pag may endorser na talaga, iba talaga yung effect niya sa market. However, nagsasuffer kasi yung quality ng food and ng products namin. So what we did was, we perfect it first, inayos namin, inaral namin kung ano yung gusto ng market namin, kinuha namin lahat ng insights nila, only to find out that the Filipinos, not just the Filipinos, but the customers are somehow after sila sa quality. Then, after that, of course, after na ma-perfect namin, then makuha na namin yung market share namin together with the brand equity na meron ngayon sa Persian Avenue, nakita namin na, okay, this is the perfect timing para lumabas na si Sir Dingdong Dantes for Persian Avenue.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir RJ and Sir Paolo, are you open to franchising and how many branches are there?
For our franchising po, just to share with you din, last November, inopen na po naman yung aming franchising. So far po, we're very happy na may mga bago kaming partners and kunti-kunti siyang nakikilala and continuous pa rin po yung mga nag-a-apply or mga nag-i-inquire regarding our franchising. Currently, we have 44 stores na and we're targeting to end po the 150 stores by 2019. Thank you.
Those who are interested to franchise, where can they
Korean look yung
For the franchise po, they can contact po Ms. OB. Siya, nandito rin po siya. Siya po yung in-charge sa ating franchising.
And for Dingdong, what's your favorite product or variant?
Bago yun, sir, yung application ko nandun na sa likod.
Beef!
Beef ako. Beef ako.
Thank you.
Sir Paul, Sir RJ, sa 45 years na Persian Avenue, ano yung natutunan niyo sa business and kamusta yung growth ng business?
Regarding for the business, syempre nung una inisip lang talaga namin, parang doon lang kami within the area, parang within the supermarket. Parang gusto lang namin na magkaroon lang ng negosyo talaga, yun lang. Pero habang palang ginagawa mo yung negosyo, hindi ka pwede hindi magiging hands-on. Parang marami ka pang laging kailangang matutunan o ma-discover. Kasi hindi pala yung kala namin dyan, tatingin mo lang siya, basta may negosyo ka. Yung pala from time to time, may mga struggles, may mga challenges, yun yung mga kailangan mo i-improve. Lalo na pag nakakarinig ka ng mga feedbacks na kailangan namin asikasuhin. So, I think yun yung meron din kay Persian Avenue na mas lalo namin binabantayan at saka tinututukan pa. Just want to add that in Persian Avenue family, we call them a family. Nag-start lang, it's a family business. Yun yung lagi namin ini-impart, sinishare dun sa team. From our managers down to our service crews, palakpakan natin sila. Sobrang mahal na mahal namin sila and lagi yung foundation. Number one, of course, communication, respect, professionalism. That's our core values. Kaya I guess, naging successful si Persian Avenue. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po din.
Hi, as owners muna, I'll just ask about the name kasi it's Persian Avenue. Persia is Iran. I wonder why you named it after that when it could have been any other Middle Eastern country. It could have been Arabian Avenue or why did you choose Persian Avenue as name?
Actually, sir, we choose a Persian Avenue din talaga. Parang pag inano namin agad na pag sinabing Persian,
parang pagdiri siya agad sa mga shawarma or wraps, yun agad talaga yung pumasok sa amin. And then, with the twist of, because we're here in the Philippines, with the twist of talagang Pinoy taste din talaga. Kasi yun talaga yung, ito yung mga number 1 na customers natin dito eh. Pero kuya, pinili namin yung Persian Avenue kasi parang yung agad yung name agad tumatak na, yun yung sinaserve namin food. But of course, with the Filipino taste man.
Kay Dingdong naman, since usapang geography na tayo, and we know that your family loves to travel, have you been to any part of the Middle East with them?
Dubai. Bago kami kasal ni Maria, napunta kami doon. But we're willing to explore that part, of course, ngayon na mas lalaki na yung pamilya namin.
And I'd like to congratulate you because he has been named one of the most beautiful kids in Asia, di ba? Sa isang Vietnamese website. It's truly amazing na napakabata pa niya. She's making so many big strides already. I want to know if she asks you anything curious about the world that has taken you aback.
Well, you know, for example, last night, yung konsepto niya ng kwento, nandiyan eh. Gusto niya na nagpapakwento. So parang kagabi bago matulog, dahil meron kasi kaming 9-day novena for Marian's pregnancy, for her safe delivery. So naku-curious siya kung bakit ano yung ginagawa namin. So sabi namin, let's pray her, diba? Let's pray the rosary, and then bakit kailangan gawin yun? So pinapaliwanag namin. So nandun yung curiosity niya para makinig at naiintindihan na niya kung ano yung kahalagahan ng mga ganun klase. So nakakatuwa na nandun siya sa stage niya. More than knowing other things, siguro it's best to keep her grounded and malaman talaga niya yung kanyang religion, diba? Before anything else.
Thank you, congrats.
Maraming salamat, sir. First, I'd like to address this question muna sa brothers, no? Congratulations kasi you're so young, no? May we know, how much did you, pinaka-pinunan nyo when you started the business? Kasi ang ganda ng pinagmulan nyo.
Actually, nag-start lang po talaga kami, parang 100,000. Yun po yung namin. Kasi nga po, parang ultimo yung card namin dati, pinagawa lang namin sa Carpintero na simple lang. And then, wala pa kaming signages noon. Meron lang kami yung paniflex lang or parang tarpaulin lang talaga. Very simple po talaga. Kaya hindi namin ina-expect na yung umpisa, magiging ganito siya. At ngayon nga, meron na kaming brand ambassador, Persian Avenue. Yun.
Thank you. Dong, congratulations. Paano na kayong successful celebrity endorsers ng wife mo and of course si Sia? Is there a possibility na kayong tatlo magsama-sama sa isang commercial?
Siyempre, that would be very nice. In fact, when Sia was 1 year old, meron po kami mga produkto na ginawa na magkakasama. And siyempre, masaya kapag yung mga katrabaho mo, yung mahal na mahal mo, diba? So, that would be very nice kung mangyari po ulit sa amin.
At a very young age, si Tia, kumikita na. What do you do with her money?
That's hers. So, my duty is to protect it and make sure that hindi maglaho yun. Kailangan mas dumami pa. Dahil sa kanya talaga.
Thank you. And lastly, when is Marian due to give birth?
In a few weeks or almost a month. So, mga ganun po. Medyo malapit-lapit na talaga. Kaya hindi na ako pwede masyadong lumayo-layo sa Metro Manila.
Okay, congratulations. By the way, may name na kayong nakahanda? Ayaw pa yung
Hindi, may pinagpipilihan ko ako last minute. So, siguro mag-robust.
Yun pala, congratulations.
Salamat.